Withdrawing money from your Outlook account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Sign into Outlook. Open your web browser and go to the Outlook website. Enter your email address and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on it and select View all Outlook settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Payment Options. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section labeled Payments or Billing. Click on it to view your payment options and transaction history. Step 4. Choose Withdrawal Method. Find the option for withdrawing funds. You may need to link your bank account if you haven't done so already. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account details and confirm the link. Step 5. Initiate the withdrawal. After linking your bank account, select the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal is being processed. Once you have completed these steps, your funds will be on their way to your bank account. Be sure to check your bank statement for the transaction confirmation.